still don't know if I'm in shot. I need a camera operator. Hello all. Yes. So, excuse the backdrop. The house is full with people today because it's raining outside. Future Charlie, show the rain. That's right, it's me again, and I'm doing another video for no apparent reason. I did say in a previous video, in fact a couple of other videos, that I will be doing a series of videos to do with the series of, you know, sound effects, impersonation-y stuff, all that kind of things. You know, grown sheep impression. If you want to see that, click the tile. I think it's here. Would that be there? I think it would be. Enough of me whittering on. Here is a small sneak preview of some of the sound effects and stuff that will be included in future sketches as soon as I get a new microphone to record them on. You've seen that one. I don't know what that one is. Makes your lips go all funny, that one. Remember to breathe, Charlie! Hold on a minute. I'm just retuning, you know. Give me a minute. Hello everybody, welcome to Mickey Mouse Playhouse! That's it. Goodness gracious me! Yes. Welcome to an end screen. Please subscribe. It's very if you want to. I mean, you know, it's a free world. Probably. I don't know. I mean, it might all just be a deception. But click. I don't know, there to go to my channel. Click there to see the original Elmwit video. Click there for something else. I don't know. And probably another one on here as well. Yeah, well, yeah. If you put another one on there.